Hi, my name is Kayla Robbie, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today I'm going to review a very special product you are looking for. I have analyzed all of the features, specifications, and performance of the product, and now I'm going to review the product in detail. After watching my review, you can decide whether you should choose the product or not. Let's go and watch the review with a presentation.
BestToolsBrand.com presents DEWALT DWA4216 5-piece oscillating accessory kit. Before going to detail analysis about the DEWALT accessory kit DWA4216, we want to make it clear that we could have enlisted it as the third best, second best, or even the best choice in our list. It has every quality to be the best selection. Do you know why we didn't do that? Do you know why we have placed them as the fourth best selection? Let's make it clear here in this DEWALT oscillating tool review. It comes with 5 pieces of oscillating blades, which is far less than the number of first two 15 pieces and 20 pieces gradually. Considering this special characteristic of the first two, we have given them top 2 positions, instead of this DEWALT oscillating tool. We gave the third place to another DEWALT oscillating tool DWA4214. We thought that a good number of people want the best single oscillating tool blade instead of a set or package. The DWA4214 is the best one in this regard as per our consideration. As there was no place, so we were bound to provide the fourth place to the DEWALT DWA4216 5-piece oscillating accessory kit. 2 DWA4203 blades for cutting the woods, 1 DWA4206 blade for cutting the wood fast, 1 DWA4213 blade for the flush cuts applicable to a variety of application, and 1 DWA4217 blade for scraping applications. Users have a very much positive approach about these DEWALT oscillating tool blades. Over 90% users have shown their satisfaction and fascination over the unit. The price is a little bit high compared to the first 3 choices, though still it's easy to afford. You can work 3 to 4 times faster using the fast cutting blade option. Overall, it's a complete oscillating multi-tool blades version. We are stating again, it has every quality to be considered as the number 1 choice of any blade list. Key benefits: heavy-duty and widely compatible, multi-purpose serving, superb value, solid hard casing, very fast and smooth cutting.
Thanks for watching the review. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a bargain hunter, and I have found a big discount for you. Please have a look at the description below and find your special big discount link today.